Jody Davis. Jody Davis from St. Augustine Beach, Florida, receiving $500. Okay, in third place, receiving $600, our boy G-Rat, Garrett Carmichael. Surf insane all day long. He's taking home $600. Now, let me just tell you guys right now, we had a split decision on the winner of this. This is a split decision. Two surfers gave him first. Two judges gave him second. In second place, he was on